Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Few elements trying to hijack Indian constitution. Nationalism is last refuge of scoundrels, says noted filmmaker Saeed Mirza in Head On. Panji Sessions Court acquits all 6 accused in Advocate Iris Rodriguez assault case on the benefit of doubt. Attack took place in 2008. All witnesses turned hostile in court. National Green Tribunal admits plea to challenge environment clearance of Mopa Airport. Rainbow Warriors pray revocation of clearances. Hundred loaders of Indigo Airlines on strike over increment in salary. Loaders demand 12,000. Management says 10. Curtains down on 46th edition of IFFI. Embrace of Serpents bags Golden Peacock Award. IFFI infrastructure within 2 years, says CM once again. Day after clinching ISL 2 top 4 position, Zico's FC Goa return home to quiet reception. We will prepare hard for semi-final battle, says Mandar. Few elements are trying to hijack the Constitution of India. Government speaks in one manner, does something else. There is a need to rise above and raise voice against these anti-social elements. Noted filmmaker Saeed Mirza made these sensational statements in Head On. Patriotism is the last refuge of scoundrels. Mirza says nationalism is the last weapon of those who are left with no other argument.
Is this an attempt to hijack that intellectual space or the mind space of the country?
Hijack the Constitution of India. Not. It's the Constitution that I'm standing by. You make speeches about how you love the Constitution, but you were the same guys who opposed it. And still do. And they keep going, something about sabka vikas, sabka saath. Do you really mean it? Well, to me, patriotism is the last refuge of the scoundrel. It's the last refuge of the scoundrel. And nationalism. Very dangerous. Handle with care. My country, right or wrong? ये बकवास क्या है? सोचो. आप भी गलतियां कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. करो. सोचो.
What has triggered this whole scenario at this moment, in today's times? What is the trigger?
It started with the FTII agitation. उनकी बहस क्या है? They're not asking for leniency in exams.
Correct.
They're not asking for reservations. Job मिलेगा उसके बाद. वो नहीं पूछ रहे. They are talking about the dignity of an institution, which is supposed to be a center for excellence. अच्छा. And they said आपने किसको भेजा ऊपर? उनकी तारीख क्या है? What is their history? What have they contributed in terms of what are their cultural accreditations?
As a former chairman of FTII, do you feel disgusted by the choice of person that has been sent as the new chairman?
I'm not interested in the person they've selected. I'm interested in the people behind the selection. बहस क्या है? I don't know Mr. Gajendra Chavan, and nor do I really. But he is not qualified. In the arrogance of the selection committee. अच्छा FTI उसको डाल दो उसको. क्यों? क्या वो हमारी आदमी है ना? वैसे दूसरे लोग भी करते हैं, but at least there was some background to a selection. यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं.
National Green Tribunal has admitted the plea to challenge environment clearance of Mopa Airport. The Federation of Rainbow Warriors has approached the NGT praying to revoke environment clearance of Mopa Greenfield Airport, which was granted by Ministry of Environment and Forest. NGT has issued notices to Union Government, Goa Government, Directorate of Civil Aviation and Goa State Pollution Control Board. Next hearing is scheduled on 13 January. Around 100 loaders of Indigo Airlines are on strike over increment in salary. Loaders demand 12,000 but management has agreed to pay 10,000 rupees only. Loaders have now alleged that management tore off the strike notice which was made them to go on strike. Loaders handle 16 Indigo flights per day. Management has however refused to comment. Meanwhile, Daboli Airport began its regular operations from Monday.
इल्ल्यार मागीर आमी सगळे कंप्लीट बी सगळे दिला आता दीत आसतले दिन मागीर हेजे व्हडले स्ट्राइक करतले आमी इतले सोडपा ना तेमकां इतने पैसे में काम करेगा तो हमारे आगे पीछे है ना सर फैमिली कितना पेमेंट देखना अभी 8,000 में क्या होता है हमको हमारा 8,000 में क्या होता है सर फ्लाइट हम लोग का डिमांड कितना है 13,000 था अभी हम लोग 12,000 बोला है पीएफ नंबर दिया है पीएफ नंबर में बैलेंस नहीं है कुछ आता है नहीं 4 साल वाला बोले 1 रुपया नहीं है क्या बोल रहा है बोला क्या बोल रहा है इधर 6 महीने टेंडर चेंज करेगा करके धमकी दे रहा है अभी टेंडर चेंज करेगा करके धमकी दे रहा है हमारा खाली 6,000 8,000 5 दिन मुश्किल है 5 दिन मेन धमकी और रोज ये गाड़ी निकालने का बात कर रहा तो 40 रुपया लेता है गाड़ी निकालने को रोज निकाल के आने का उसका और घर का भाड़ा का यही हिसाब आज आमचे मातशे सगळे मेळून ते पास करपाक सगळ्यांचे पास सायन घेवपाक आमी रावल्या ते म्हणटा आमचे साहेब येयलो आनी तो फॉर्म घेतला आनी फाडून उडयला आमी म्हणले तर आमकां पेमेंट वाडाय म्हणल्यार तुमकां युनियन करता हे करता म्हणून आमकां धमकी घालता आनी पास काडटा आमचे ताका लागून आमी सगळे पास दिला आनी भायर येवन रावला आमी.
The Panji Sessions Court has acquitted 6 accused in the 2008 Advocate Iris Rodriguez assault case. Court on Monday has acquitted main accused Sandeep Vaingankar, Genito Cardozo and 4 other accused on the benefit of doubt. During the trial, public witnesses turned hostile. Advocate Rodriguez was attacked by a group of goons in 2008. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.